Hello, my name is Tikunda Rakshan and my student number is X251807554 and my project name is Predicting the Residential Property Prices Across Major Iris Setting using the machine learning. The main aim of the project was to use the real residential property transaction data for the airline to build the machine learning models for the property price prediction and the property value classification and the demand prediction, and we use the residential property for the register and the published by the property and also regulatory authority of the island. During the work, I evaluated the national datasets for the 2020 and the 2021 and they confirmed that the important features such as bedrooms, bathrooms, and BER rating and the using the listing views of the publicity available at property level. This helps to define the scope of a project. I deployed the flexible at the property using the pipeline that is handled the multiple and the rate and the price and formats remote non-market sales and the price outputs as the extracted useful the information from the property addresses. And we analyzed the datasets using the visuals and including the property prices and the property types, country, distribution and the yearly sale trends. And DEA helps the understand the characteristics and the data sets before the training and the machine learning models. And my project and my primary responsibility was track one, and which was focused on the predicting the residential property prices. This is a recession problem with the goals and the estimate that the selling price of the property using the available futures like rates recession and decision press recession and gradient boosting and resistor, and the models with the trained use property locations, country, property type, and the other engineered features. And we transformed the largest availability using the long to improve the model stability and reduce the effect of extremely expensive properties. And the gradient boosting was produced the results. I achieved R3 score of the 0445 using the 5-fold cross validation, and the back confirmed that the mean absolute error and approximately 1,024,000 euros. It outfound that the reaches of the regression and the decision and the tree recession and the demonetizing and the property prices having the complex and non-linear relationship. And gradient boosting of the perform that because it confirms that the multiple weak and the decision into a stronger predictive model. It confirms that the complex transactions and the futures that were being that the linear recession regression and the produces more the accurate predictions. And together, our team has completed the three machine learning tracks: house price prediction, property value classification, property demand prediction. In the conclusion, this project is successfully demonstrated for the how machine learning can be supported the residential property price and the prediction using the real Irish government data. My work is included in the data and the validation of the pre-processing and future engineering and regression model development and the evaluation. Thank you and thank you for the listening.